Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your night owl cameras are not working at all, no video, no signal or not showing in the application, then this video is going to walk you through the exact fixes that you need to follow. So first of all, night owl cameras depend on a central system like DVR or NVR. So if that system is off or not connected, all the cameras will stop working. So you need to basically check, is the DVR or NVR powered on? You need to check, are all the cables properly connected and is the monitor showing anything? Also try restarting the entire system. This alone going to fix many issues. Now if you see no signal or blank screen, just make sure that each camera is getting the power. You need to check the adapters and the power splitters, inspect the video or the Ethernet cables as well. You can also test by switching the cables or the ports. If the camera works on another port, the issue is with the cable or the channel. Now, if the cameras work on the monitor but not in the application, the issue is network related. So in this particular situation, you can check the Ethernet cable from the DVR to the router. The internet connection is active and the app is connected to the correct system. Night owl systems must be online for the remote viewing to work. Now, if you are using wireless cameras, just make sure that they are within the range. Avoid thick walls or metal objects. You can also reposition the camera or the metal objects. The weak signal can cause the cameras to disconnect or not appear at all. Also, do not restart randomly. You can follow this exact restart order. First of all, you need to turn off the camera and the DVR and NVR. Afterwards, you need to turn off the router. Then simply wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you just have to turn the router back on and then you need to turn on the system back on. Now this resets is going to basically reset the connection properly and fixes many hidden issues. Outdated softwares can also cause the cameras to stop working. So make sure that you update the Night Owl application and you also update the DVR and NVR firmware. You can also restart the system after updating. Also try logging out and back into the application if the cameras are not loading. So you can try these effective ways in order to fix the Night Owl cameras not working issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.